Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this vlog. So, we are still in Pakistan. So, on this day, it was Mehndi Day. I went to the salon here. It was my first time going there. I needed to just get professional hair straightened, and I wash. As you can see, they are drying my hair now. Then they straighten it and they made some curls. Although the curls didn't sit, like they didn't last. I'm not sure what made that. Maybe because I actually went with my own product, so I think maybe they struggled to use that. I was just checking my hair. It looks so nice in front, but I was not quite happy with the volume at back. The volume is not so great anymore. Yeah, let me just finish this. I'll talk about the volume later on. So this is the salon, guys. The name of it is Allure. It's in Pakistan. I love their customer service. They are very good. They know what they are doing, but the downside about the salon, it's very expensive. And but you can see, man, by everything that they are, like, top notch, one of the best in Faisalabad. Yeah, so I was happy with everything that they did. I just only did my hair, I did my lashes, my eyebrows, and I also put Mehndi. I was not happy with their Mehndi though. I don't know why their Mehndi didn't, like, the design was nice, but the neatness of the Mehndi, it was just not giving. I was not quite happy about that. Maybe they just called someone new, I'm not sure, because these people, they do bridal makeup, they do everything that has to do with bridal, like they are the best in town. So even our niece, she did hair, wedding, Mehndi, and hair and makeup in the salon, like for the main days, which was Barat and Walima. But I don't know, the Mehndi was just not giving on my side. But regardless of that, I was just really happy with the customer service, with how they treated me. They were so nice, they were so understanding, they were listening to everything that I was saying. And I think this was their first time actually doing a black person's hair, this texture, let me just say, because my daughter, she's a mix, so she does have a bit of the Pakistani side texture in her hair, but this was completely out of what they are used to, and I think they try their best. So earlier on, I was talking about my volume, guys. My hair had a bit more volume than this. I don't have thick hair naturally, like the relaxed one, but the natural one is very thick. But the relaxed one, I don't have so thick, so much hair. But in the last 2 months, my hair has been just going down. I think the lady that relaxed me last time, she over processed my hair, and my hair's been coming out. It's just been breaking. It's just been disaster. But anyway, I was just so happy that I was able to rock the hair in Pakistan, and I was beautiful with my own natural hair. And there was a lady here at the salon at this moment as I was doing my hair. She was like, "Your hair is so short. Are you going to put a wig?" I was like, "No, girl. Can't you see I'm beautiful with this short hair?" That's my confidence, guys. I am a very confident person in who I am. Because even when it comes to makeup, I was like, I'm not going to risk you guys putting makeup on my skin and turning me to something that I am not. I am comfortable. I am comfortable. It's nice to be a bit bright, but I'm not a yellow bone. And I was running away from that. So that's why I said, okay, you guys just going to do for me lashes and eyebrows. And they did a great job. And the rest I did myself, and I was looking hella hot. Okay, I was looking so beautiful, guys. It felt so good. As normally I'm always at home, washing dishes, washing laundry. So this was just a nice treatment. I deserved this. I felt so good, looking so good. I felt like I was that young Amina, that young Ayanda, that's my Zulu name, guys, who used to be like really beautiful. Yeah, I'm still beautiful, but sometimes you forget because you caught up in your mommy life. duties and stuff, and you forget about yourself. Anyway, I was finished. My niece and my nephew, they came to pick me up, and we passed here to pick up some flowers for Mehndi. So on this day, guys, it was actually Mehndi day, Mehndi function. Our niece, she's the one that was getting married. She's the doctor, by the way, guys. So she was getting married, and it was Mehndi day. Mehndi day, it's a function where it's just Mehndi family and very, very close friends that came. So we had to pick up some flowers for Mehndi day. They needed some flowers. I don't know, you guys were gonna see but not really see, but yeah, there was flowers that were needed. There I was quickly just showing you that I went home, applied makeup quickly, and then I got dressed, and it was the time to go. Here, these are behind the scenes where they had to firstly, make sure that the video at the end, it will come out nice, right? And then here, this is a part where I couldn't vlog because I was part of the aunties that were supposed to be involved in doing what was happening here. So I couldn't vlog. My daughter didn't want to vlog, and also my husband was just gonna come after this part after me, so he couldn't vlog for me too. But yeah, it was nice, it was nice. I enjoyed, and I couldn't vlog this part, guys. Anyway, it's not about I must vlog everything, but I'm just sharing a bit and hints of what was happening here. And after that, we celebrated. It was nice, and the bride looked absolutely beautiful. This is me here. As you can see, I have to stand and then yeah, behind the scenes, guys. These are behind the scenes. Yeah, it was so lovely. It was nice. And then here there's the man, her uncles. Ne? This is my husband. There's her brother, her uncles, and yeah, they do this, walking her. I have no idea why they do this, but it's part of the function. Is part of the Mehndi. Yeah, like walking her in. Guys, I don't have details of why they do these things. My husband was not married before. I'm his first wife, so he himself never gone through this. As we got married here in South Africa, it was just a simple nikah, and that was it. So all this, it was new, especially for me, because he has gone to these weddings, but as a man, you just observe and that's it. And I also didn't go deep to find out why this is being done, why this is not being done, but that's their tradition. That's how they do things. Then it's Mehndi. Okay, I was explaining earlier on, it's Mehndi. There's 3 days of wedding, the main days. It's Mehndi. This was Mehndi day, and then there's a Barat. Barat, it's when they make nikah. They like officially get married. She officially meets a husband on the day, and then she goes to a husband house. And then walima, it's when the groom side now, they host us, and then we go to their place, or whatever the hall they've organized, we go eat. They like this side, I can make an example, like umshado wesizulu. Then the following day after the white wedding, you go to the groom side to do the traditional parts. This is me and my happy guys dancing. I had such a lovely day on this day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the vlog. I was just showing you just a bit and hints of what went on this day. Yeah, after this, it was the after party at home. One thing about in life in Pakistan, the people don't sleep. The people do not sleep. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.